Welcome to the YouTube channel Academic Mind. Extinct Friends Part 3. Let's improve writing skills. Writing instructions. What are instructions? Instructions are given by somebody to someone to follow. In the school, your principal gives you instructions, but they are in oral form. Have you seen instructions displayed in public places? Yes, you may have seen instructions displayed in boards of public places such as schools, hospitals, banks, etc. Instructions need to be clear to understand. The most important thing is instructions must start with action verbs. Example, walk on the corridor, don't run on the corridor. Now look at the activity 5 in page number 33 in your pupil's book. Read the following instructions. Note how they are formed. The instruction with a positive sense must start with the verb root. Example, wash your hands before your meals. The instruction with a negative sense must start with don't plus verb root. Example, don't litter the school premises. Now categorize the instructions given in page number 34 into 3 sections in the grid given. Safety at home, safety on road, safety at play. There are 15 instructions in the list. Which instructions are relevant to the first column? Safety at home. Number 2. Keep all medicines out of the reach of children. There are 3 more. Now you can try to find them. Which instructions can be written under the second column? Safety on road. You can write number 1, don't drive or ride fast. There are 5 more answers. Find them too. Which instructions should be written in the third column, safety at play? Number 3. Don't throw the javelin until the field is made ready for it. You can write 4 more answers. Find them from the list. Write in notices. What is a notice? A notice is a formal means of communication. The purpose of a notice is to announce or display information to a specific group of people. Notices are generally meant to be pinned up on specific display boards either in schools, educational institutions, or in public places. Notices issued by the government appear in newspapers. Now look at the example notice given in activity 11 in page number 40. Let's examine the structure of it. First you need to write the word notice in block letters or capital letters. Next you need to consider the following facts when writing a notice. The purpose of writing this notice, to whom the message is delivered, date, time, venue of the event, the sender of the message, the date the notice is written. Now let's read the notice given. A documentary on the life in the Stone Age will be screened on Friday 20th February from 2:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. at the auditorium of Nilmalwila Mahavidyalaya. Reserve your seat before 10th February through your class teacher. English Club, Isipathana Mahavidyalaya. What is this notice about? This notice is about a documentary on the life in the Stone Age. That is the purpose of the notice. What is the date, time, venue of the event? 20th February 2:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. at the auditorium of Nilmalvila Mahavidyalaya. Who writes this notice? English Club, Isipathana Mahavidyalaya. These are the basic facts need to be included in a notice. Apart from this, you need to use future form to write the event to be held. Now let's talk about writing notes. What is a note? A note is an informal means of communication. The purpose of a note is to deliver or send a short message to a person. A note can be sent through another person. Now look at the example note given in page number 41. Shireen. There's a documentary on the life in the Stone Age at Nilmalvila Mahavidyalaya Auditorium on 20th February. Would you like to see it? Our teacher wants to reserve the seats. Write to me immediately. Sharada. Let's examine the structure of the note. At the top right corner, mention the date the note is written. You need to mention the name of the receiver and sender. The message needs to be clear and short. In both notes and notices, you need to place punctuation marks correctly. Now try to write answers to the questions given in page 41. In this video, we covered the most of the writing parts, instructions, notices and notes. For extra practice, click the link in the description box and do the quick test. Do not forget to like, comment and share the video. Do subscribe and enjoy learning with Academic Mind. Have a nice day.